Running a daycare in Sacramento? SEO can help you fill more seats. Most families search online first. If you're not on page 1, you're invisible. Step 1. Make your website mobile-friendly. Fast, simple, and clear. Use local keywords. Think Sacramento Daycare or affordable childcare near me. Add helpful content. Blogs, tips, safety info. Show you care and know your stuff. Claim and update your Google My Business. Post photos, updates, and respond to reviews. Be active on social media. Share daily moments, parent testimonials, and events. Get backlinks from trusted local sites, schools, family centers, or local blogs. SEO isn't magic, it's strategy. Consistent, local, and parent-focused. Want help with daycare SEO? Contact MarketinGear. We'll bring families to your door. Let's grow your childcare center together.